Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Are you living the life you imagined? Do you feel strong, healthy, financially secure? Are you too busy working to take the time to make more money than you need just to get by? Will you be in the same position 5 years from now? So you've scoured the internet for a home business and are now totally confused. How do you separate the real diamonds from the fake? Most business opportunity websites focus on money and success stories. Do you really think that you can make money with no investment of money, time or energy, or all three? Make money legally without selling a product or service. Make $1,000 between Friday and the weekend. Trust someone who tricks you into reading a web page with a dishonest headline? What you need to focus on is deciding what you want to do, so that you will recognize it when you find it. You need to learn how to be just as insistent as those scam artists. Learn what it is that you're looking for, and never settle for less. Here are some of the questions you need to ask in order to clarify exactly what you want. What do you really want in life? No matter what your current situation, you need to look beyond those particular circumstances and decide what it is you ultimately want to achieve. For example, you may have bill collectors calling you every day. Your automatic answer may be, I want them to go away. I want to be able to pay off my debts. You need to look beyond that. What you really want is financial stability and security, so you can do what you really want to do, whether it be charitable, recreational, etc. Yes, you want to be your own boss, regulate and schedule your own time, and control your hours and income. But maybe you also want to work with others who will train you to be just as successful as they are. Do you want to market on the internet, sell, host parties, take orders, deliver products, handle stocking, inventory, or money collecting? Do you want to work independently most of the time, or do you want to work closely every day with others? Don't forget that there are many aspects of going to work for others that you may be overlooking because of current stresses or worries. Will you be content to sit at home alone in your home office day in and day out? Will you miss the camaraderie of conversations around the water cooler or over lunch? Maybe you want to stay home with your young children. Will you miss having adult conversations? What I'm suggesting here is to look beyond the lure of the quick dollar and pay attention to the details of what you will actually be doing every day in any online business. If you don't see it in print, ask. Ask those who are already working the business. Ask the owner. Maybe what you are looking for is what is called the intellectual distribution business. It's the next trillion-dollar industry. It's all about educating consumers about products and services that will improve their lives, that they didn't even know existed. Safer, healthier, more convenient alternatives to products and services they already need and use. It's about wholesale prices, ordering online or on the phone, and deliveries right to their door. Do you also want a system you can just plug into, simple enough for beginners? Even if you know nothing about personal websites, live online conference rooms, or how to identify prospects interested in your products or services, you want to be successful and to have those tools and talents at your disposal. You have the will to learn and earn, the persistence and the ability to follow directions. If you are a beginner, you can expect to find a business that will train you completely for free. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net